TradeGecko Inventory Management 2025. In this video, I'm going to explain how to effectively manage your inventory using TradeGecko. After logging in, navigate to the Inventory tab. Here you can add products manually or import them using a CSV file. Ensure each product entry includes accurate SKU numbers and then descriptions and pricing. TradeGecko allows you to organize products by category, supplier, or warehouse location. This organization makes it easier to track items and identify stock discrepancies. Set reorder points for each product. This feature alerts you when stock levels drop below a specified quantity, preventing stockouts and ensuring timely reordering. Next, go to Order section. You can track sales, orders, fulfill shipments, and update tracking information. This keeps customers informed and reduces order processing time. For multi-channel sellers, connect your e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Amazon, and WooCommerce. TradeGecko syncs inventory across all channels, ensuring accurate stock levels. Lastly, use the Purchase Orders tab to manage supplier orders and incoming stock. This feature allows you to track when new inventory is expected, preventing overselling. And that's how you manage inventory using TradeGecko in 2025.